Before you spend a single dollar on any compact camera right now, you need to watch this video first because something is coming, something that has been quietly leaking across hidden forums, insider communities, and camera blogs for months now. And today, we are connecting every single dot, the Leica D-Lux 9. No one is talking about this the way it deserves to be talked about. The leaks are specific, the rumors are wild, and by the time this video ends, you will understand exactly why the entire compact camera market is about to be shaken to its core. But the last thing we reveal at the end of this video, that is the part that will genuinely blow your mind. Like the video, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Alright, let's get straight into it. Because the leaks on this camera are absolutely insane. We are talking about a compact camera that is rumored to destroy everything in its price range, and I mean everything. Fuji, Sony, Ricoh, all of them, gone. The Leica D-Lux 9 leaks have been buried deep across forums and insider pages, and when you line them all up together, the picture you get is something nobody expected. So let us rip through every single leak, one by one, starting with the most jaw-dropping rumor first, the sensor. Because once you hear what is allegedly going inside this thing, you will understand why the entire compact camera world is holding its breath right now. The D-Lux 8 right now, 17 megapixels, a sensor that was already old when it launched, but the D-Lux 9 leaks are pointing to something completely different. We are talking about a brand new 26 megapixel BSI sensor, backside illuminated, which means one thing: low light performance that will make your eyes water. Shooting at night, shooting in dark rooms, shooting in conditions where every other compact camera completely falls apart. The D-Lux 9 is rumored to handle all of it, effortlessly. But here is where it gets really interesting. This is not just a megapixel bump. The leaked processor paired with this sensor is reportedly from the same generation as cameras that cost 3 times the price. 3 times. So you are getting flagship-level processing inside a camera that fits in your jacket pocket, and if that sounds too good to be true, just wait. Because the sensor leak is actually not even the most exciting part. That comes next. Like the video, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Let's talk about the lens, because this is where Leica could genuinely shock everyone. The current D-Lux 8 lens, beautiful, no complaints. But the autofocus on it is painfully slow, like embarrassingly slow for a camera at this price. Leakers are saying the D-Lux 9 is getting a completely reworked autofocus system. We are talking phase hybrid AF, with AI subject recognition built in, meaning this camera will lock onto your subject instantly. Eyes, faces, moving subjects. It does not matter. It finds them, it locks, it shoots. No hunting, no missing the moment, no frustration, just done. And the lens itself, rumors are pointing to the same legendary 24 to 75 mm Vario Summilux glass, but rebuilt. Optimized for the new sensor, sharper edges, better contrast, faster response. This is not a copy-paste upgrade. This is Leica rebuilding the entire optical experience from the ground up. And for street photographers, for travel shooters, for anyone who needs one perfect lens that does everything, this rumored combination is borderline dangerous, but we are still not at the biggest leak yet. Keep watching. If these leaks are accurate, Leica has completely rethought how this camera looks and feels in your hands. The D-Lux 9 is rumored to be getting a fully articulating screen, which sounds small, until you realize the current D-Lux 8 has a fixed display, meaning if you want to shoot low, if you want to shoot high, if you want to vlog, if you want to flip the screen and shoot yourself, you simply cannot. It is stuck, frozen, one angle, forever. The D-Lux 9 leaks are saying that problem is gone, completely gone. Flip it, tilt it, rotate it. However you shoot, this screen moves with you. And the body itself? Leakers are describing a magnesium alloy build that feels closer to the Leica Q series than anything the D-Lux line has ever offered before. Thinner, tighter, more premium in the hand, like holding something that genuinely costs what it costs. And the button layout? Completely redesigned, cleaner, more intuitive, less menu diving, more shooting. Because at the end of the day, that is what Leica is about. You pick it up, you shoot, and everything just works. But here is the leak that stopped us completely in our tracks. And this one is big. Like the video, share it, and subscribe to the channel. This is the leak that has the entire camera community completely divided right now. Video, because the D-Lux 8 shoots 4K, but only at 30 frames per second. No raw video, no high frame rate, nothing. For a camera at this price point in 2026, that is simply not acceptable anymore. But the D-Lux 9 leaks are pointing to something that nobody saw coming. 5K video, high frame rate 4K, and, brace yourself, rumored raw video support on a compact camera with a zoom lens that fits in your pocket. Let that sink in for a second. We are talking about a level of video capability that filmmakers pay thousands of dollars for, allegedly sitting inside a camera you can slip into your jacket and walk out the door with. Content creators, travel filmmakers, street documentary shooters. This rumored spec list was not built for casual photographers. This was built for people who are serious. And then there is the price leak, and this is where it gets complicated. Because based on everything surfacing right now, the D-Lux 9 is expected to land somewhere between $2,000 and $2,500, more expensive than the D-Lux 8. Yes. But here is the thing. Every single rumored upgrade we just walked through, every leak, every spec, every improvement. At that price, it is not expensive. It is actually a bargain, and that is something you almost never say about a Leica, ever. So here is where we stand right now. Every single leak, every single rumor, every single detail that has surfaced about the Leica D-Lux 9 is pointing in one direction. This camera is coming, and when it arrives, nothing in the compact camera world will look the same. A 26-megapixel BSI sensor, phase hybrid AF with AI recognition, rebuilt Vario Summilux glass, fully articulating screen, 5K video with RAW support. All of it inside a magnesium body that sits in your pocket. If even half of these leaks turn out to be true, the D-Lux 9 will be the most important compact camera release in a decade, not just for Leica, for everyone. But here is my question for you. Are you waiting for this camera, or are you Team D-Lux 8 right now? Drop it in the comments below, because I read every single one, and if you want to be the first person notified the moment any new D-Lux 9 leak drops, hit that subscribe button right now, because we are watching this one very closely. And trust me, you do not want to miss what is coming next.